Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix WhatsApp login problems. The first step you need to try is to clear WhatsApp cache. Over time, your phone stores temporary data. Just clear the cache and see. Just go to your settings or just long tap on the WhatsApp app, then choose the eye icon. Tap storage, then clear cache. You can also do it on iPhone. The second method is to log out and log back in on WhatsApp. Just open the WhatsApp app, then click on the three dots, then go to Account. Click Log Out and then log back in with your number or QR code. This refreshes the often fixes stuck message or connection drops if you're trying to have a login. Thirdly, try reinstalling WhatsApp. If clearing cache doesn't help, you need still WhatsApp from your device. Download it again from the Google Play Store or App Store and log in, then restore your backup if prompt. Also, sometimes a quick restart works wonders. Turn off your phone or computer, wait 30 seconds and then turn it back on. This clears temporary network and memory issues. And finally, check your network. If you're using office or university Wi-Fi, it may block WhatsApp services. Try on switching mobile hotspot or different Wi-Fi network. Doing this helps you if your current network restricts WhatsApp connection. And after following these steps, just open WhatsApp again. It should work smoothly. If not, check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store, since new versions often fix hidden bugs. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.